As a teacher educator and a coach, I have had the good fortune of traveling to most parts of our beautiful land, and therefore I have been inside classrooms K-12 and observed teachers teaching almost all the subjects. But what I have seen in these classrooms is that why does everybody expect all the children to learn at the same time? On the one hand, we say that students are different, don't try to, one size fits all should be thrown out of the window, and yet हमारी ये कोशिश रहती है कि हम सवाल पूछेंगे तो सब बच्चों को उसका जवाब आना चाहिए और एक ही वक्त आना चाहिए. Now that doesn't necessarily happen. The processing is happening in the working memory and every student takes his or her own time. In fact, research कहता है कि कभी-कभी बच्चों में ऐसा भी फर्क हो सकता है कि anything from 30 seconds to about a minute लग सकता है for some children to process the information. आपने सवाल पूछा, some children are thinking. Now just because they may pause before they answer you or they may say one word and then wait, don't try to interrupt them. Don't try to complete those sentences because you will disturb that delicate processing which is happening in the background, in their working memory. ऐसा नहीं है कि उन्हें आता नहीं है. They're just needing a little bit of more time to process the information, to put it in the right words, to make it coherent and then answer you. क्या जल्दी है? There's this beautiful strategy called wait time. Give it time. The processing is happening and it suddenly rises to the consciousness from unawareness to awareness, and the child is then ready to give you the answer. So we talk to teachers about practicing wait time. Everybody doesn't learn in the same space and at the same time. Learning requires processing. Stretching of ideas, strengthening of ideas, making the connection strong. जैसे हम मसल कोई comfort में तो बनता नहीं. Okay, you have to stretch it, give it effort, pull it. Like I use these bands, and then probably strength is gained similarly for learning. You need to stretch the ideas, play around with the ideas. Only when the connections become strong between various ideas, the student will be ready to give the answer. Don't be in a hurry. Don't short circuit their thinking by prompting their answer. Practice, wait, time. पढ़िए इसके बारे में. You might love it.